Chara pona. Chara pona.
Aldi rui mach.
Wow.
আসো এটা ঠিক আছে
Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, right now I'm in a chaotic place called Sialda Station, right? And I'm gonna show you the authentic, veg and non-veg thali that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? So over here they all sell street foods, right? And they have this, benches for you to sit. And I'm gonna go there and show you the type of food that they sell. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. Let's go, guys. So here we are. So they have street stalls down the lane here, right? And they all have street stalls here. And look guys, it's just so crazy, This is the fish fry that they're cooking in this tube here with this woods here, right? And they even have this charcoal. Hello Dada, good afternoon. Okay, so this is the rice, rice, nah? Yes. Rice, okay, so this brother is cooking the rice in this. And this is a fish fry and different vegetables. And yeah, so here we are. What's up brother, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Apni bhalo achen? You're fine? Okay. So she's selling so you're selling veg and non-veg thali, na? Acha. So guys, this sister here, she sells veg and non-veg thali here in the street of Kolkata, right? Now look guys, now this is the bridge, you see that bus, see the bus, and they have this street stalls here, right? So they have this place for you to sit. And so look guys, this is how it is. So sister, what are you serving now? Rice, okay, rice. Look guys, now which thali is this? Eta kon thali?
Veg.
The veg thali. Look guys, this is the veg thali. And what's the price like? Eta price koto hobe?
30 টাকা.
30 taka. Guys, it's only 30 rupees. Cool. Okay, look guys, now this is the fish fry. I need to know the name of this fish. Which fish is it? A con fish? Chara pona. Guys, the name of this fish is chara pona. Cool. And this is some sort of a lentil, right?
এটা রুই মাছ।
Oh,
রুই মুগের ডাল দিয়ে রুই মাছ।
wow,
ডালিয়া।
beautiful. Okay guys, they cook the fish with this lentil that I first I never seen anything like this. Like if you've seen anything like this, you let me know, right? This is something very unique for me to see, right? Because I've seen many fish curries, but this one is very unique. Like they cook the fish with the lentils, right? And this is the potato balls, right? So they smash the potato with different spices, and that's how they make the balls, right? It's called the choka, right? But in Bengal, in Kolkata, you call this aloo bharta, right? That's how it is. And this is some sort of a spinach. It's called the sag, right? Spinach, yeah. And this is a big pot of mixed curry. And that's the lentil there. And that's the potato fries, right? And which type of fish is this, sister?
রুই মাছের মাথা।
Rui, guys, this is the fish head. It's called the rui machi, right? Cool. Thank you. Chire doi.
চিড়ে দইটা খেয়ে আছো।
And this is the chicken, right? The chicken kosa. Look guys, and that's how they cook the rice. So they cook the rice in this pot here, right? And that's how they strain the rice in this net, right? So they put the net in this jhuri, this basket kind of a thing. Jeera rice, yeah. And they pour the rice in this so the water can drain, and that's how you get this white rice. And it's just so And guys, you know, right now in Kolkata is 40 degrees. It's super hot. Just imagine these brothers and the sisters there, right? They're cooking right on top of the main road, right? That's how it is, guys, you know. Right now in Kolkata, it's super hot. It's like 40 degrees. It's super hot, right? And they're really hardworking people, you know, guys. That's how it is. This is Kolkata, right? Kolkata is known for street food. It's crazy, man, you know. So yeah. Look, guys.
হ্যাঁ দাদা ভালো আসো এখানটায় ঠিক আছে
Alright guys, so that was me, your friend John, trying to show you the local authentic, you know, veg and non-veg thali that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. Do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog. Sisters, bye bye. Okay, take care. Bye guys, see you soon.